Welcome to Plymouth, and welcome to English4Italy.com. With this video, we begin our search for the members of Robert Falcon Scott's Antarctic team, who either came from Plymouth or had strong links to the city. So, sit back, concentrate, and enjoy. Because of the tragic and heroic events of Scott's last days, it's easy to forget the other men who played an important role during the Terra Antarctic expedition of 1910 to 1913. A total of 65 men travelled with Captain Robert Falcon Scott, performing scientific experiments and preparing for the race to the South Pole. One of these men was Patrick Keohane. Patrick Keohane was born in Ireland in Courtmacsherry in 1879. He began his long naval career here in Plymouth and worked with another future member of the Terra expedition on HMS Talbot, that is, Edward Teddy Evans. In the Antarctic, Keohane helped build the team's hut and looked after the horses. He was also part of the group that took food and supplies to One Ton Depot. In November 1911, the 12-man polar team, including Keohane, set out. It would take all of his strength and Irish wit to survive. The Irishman accompanied Scott to within 300 miles of the South Pole before returning to base. During the 600-mile return journey, Keohane suffered terrible snow blindness, and on one occasion he fell down 8 crevices in less than 30 minutes. The Irishman finally returned to base on the 26th of January 1912, 37 days after turning around. Patrick Keohane was also a member of the party of men who went to look for the body of Scott, which they found on the 12th of November 1912. After the Second World War, Keohane lived here in this house in Birchfield Avenue, Plymouth. Petty Officer Patrick Keohane died in Plymouth in 1950, aged 71. When we finally found his resting place, which is here in Western Mill Cemetery, it was a lovely surprise to discover Mr. Keohane had named his daughter Nova. Something of the courage and spirit of this phenomenal Antarctic explorer still lives on in the area, because his descendants still live in and around Plymouth. But in truth, Petty Officer Patrick Keohane is a treasure for all the city's descendants.